If you need to reuse imported mechanical parts or assemblies, 3DSync is the perfect complement to your CAD system. Edit imported data using synchronous technology and get products to market faster. This first part requires some changes, but feature definition is lost in translation. A redesign can be costly, but synchronous technology and 3DSync makes changes fast and easy. Add dimensions to any portion of the model and edit them to get the exact size. Next, we'll quickly generate new 3D geometry from a familiar 2D sketch, resulting in a couple of new mounting bosses, their height driven by existing geometry. As the center face is edited, the mounting bosses update. Faces can also be rotated, and live rules unique to synchronous technology finds and changes symmetric counterparts, ensuring the original design intent is kept. Unnecessary geometry can be deleted, and selection based on a feature type speeds the process. 2D users are familiar with fence dragging, and 3DSync works in a similar manner. Watch how easy it is to draw a box around the geometry, position the steering wheel, and morph the part into a different shape. Synchronous technology excels at making more complicated edits. This Clivis pen, originally imported from Pro Engineer, needs to be widened. As we modify the external mounting tabs, notice the options that maintain face size while choosing to add or remove material. Next, we'll widen the part. After a simple fence select of one of the arms, we'll rotate the geometry by dragging the steering wheel to the appropriate angle. To ensure the intent is preserved, notice how Live Rules finds and maintains symmetry, so the other half of the model updates automatically. One final rotate will align the mounting bosses. The internal stiffening ribs can be aligned with a click of the mouse. Let's make some dimensional edits to this SolidWorks part. Unique to 3DSync are 3D driving dimensions, which can be applied between key geometric features. When added between the alignment holes, we can edit the spacing directly. 3D driving dimensions can be placed in a stacked configuration and locked to preserve distances. As the interior clearance is modified, notice how the linkage thickness remains. To complement dimensional edits, geometric relationships such as this tangency condition can be added. Live Rules automatically finds symmetry within the part and applies tangency to the bottom face chain. Within 3D driving dimensions, the direction of the edit can be managed, left, right, or symmetric. During each edit, notice how Live Rules automatically keeps holes aligned and concentric. Now that we've seen the power of synchronous technology inside 3DSync, let's parameterize this imported model. We'll add a series of 3D driving dimensions to the key geometric features such as mounting holes, overall heights, and mounting boss diameters. Dimensions shown in red indicate only the designer can alter them. 3D driving dimensions can be related to each other using equations. Change the first, and all related dimensions update. All dimensions are saved with the model and can be managed in 3DSync's variable table. Imagine the possibilities in being able to add, relate, and edit dimensions on imported models. Live Rules finds and maintains geometric conditions and is extremely flexible. Options provide for inclusion or exclusion of geometry during any edit. Here, we want to modify just one mounting boss. Other options in synchronous technology let you control the impact of edits on surrounding geometry. Notice how the clearance hole is preserved. If you need to reuse imported mechanical parts or assemblies, 3DSync is the perfect complement to your CAD system. Edit imported data using synchronous technology and get products to market faster while reducing the costs associated with reusing imported data.